Okay, look at the question we have on the board. Uh, Thanks for watching. Are you paying attention? It says, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel and give this video a thumbs up. Two of us. Two of us. Now look up, everybody. It says, what number of moles of copper two, this is copper ion, hope you know. This is copper what? Ion. Will be deposited by 360 coulombs of electricity. It is somehow right. It says, what number of moles of copper ion? Here, you weren't asked question on mass. You were asked question based on mole. Pay attention, you. Stop that thing. So what do? You have, this is copper 2. We have something like this, is what? 2 electrons, and you have what? Ordinary copper, right? And don't forget that even though we have copper here is 64, right? 64 gram. The mass of copper here is 64 gram. Do you know why you are not given the mass of copper here? Because the question they asked you to find mass, rather mole. But I have my reason for putting mass here because I want to explain something to you. And here is 2 mole of electron. So why I always draw this is to let you know that the question is between mole and the mass. But in mole concept, one mole of any element is equal to the mass of that particular what? Element. So 1 mole of copper is equal to 64 gram of copper. Right? So which means I have to draw this again. I have to write this equation again. Cu2 plus 2 electron, then copper. So here is what? 2 times 9,6,500 coulomb. That is also in bracket 2 mole of electron, right? And here is what? That 64 gram is also what? 1 mole of copper. Did you understand? Let me space it so that you understand it better. Let me space it. This is the 4 gram means 1 mole of copper. Did you understand now? Because the question is, what we are not asked to find gram, but rather mole. So what do? We say if 2 times, who are those making noise? If 2 times 500 coulombs gives 1 mole of copper, 360 coulombs. 360 coulombs will give X mole of copper, which means how many moles of copper will 360 coulombs? How many moles of copper will 360 coulomb gives us? So 2 times 9,6,500 over 360 equal to 1 over X. So over here we have 2 times 9,6,500 equal to 360 times 1. So S is equal to 360 over 2 times 9,6,500. S is equal to what? 536.11. Now let's go back to our option. You said 536.11. Others, use your calculator. You said you got what? 173,700. People don't know what you are doing. You don't know what you are doing. Look up. Wait, look up. Wait. Upon you are working with calculator, you are still giving me one figure. Now, don't worry. 2 times 9,600 will give you what? 1930. Now, if I should cancel 10 here, I have S is equals 36 over 1930. How will you tell me this thing will give you 0 point what? 00186. Now you are talking. Even a child in primary 2 knows that the answer you gave me is wrong. How can you have 360 over which amount of number? So now using standard form, now 1 2 3, this is what? 1.86 times 10 raised power minus 3. Okay, you have 5 here. Okay, approximately 1.87 times 10 raised power minus 3. 3 what? Mole of what? Copper. 3 what? Mole of copper. So our answer is what here? B. So be careful while working with calculator. I don't know how you work with calculator. You still have wrong answer. Okay, thank you.